Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Chip from Chip and Dale. So let's get started. To draw a cute Chip, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to start right here with a soft curve. And then I'm going to round it off and slant down, come in to create this very rounded off triangular shaped nose right there. And then I'm going to come in here and just put in a highlight and shade this all in. There. So now that I have this nose in, I'm going to come right next to it. So maybe the same level as the nose. Just skip a little bit of space, and then right about here, I'm just going to come right over here and just draw a soft curve. And same thing over here. Just right next to the nose. And draw this curve. And then from there, we're going to draw the eyes underneath, on top of this curve. So let's come about right here. And we're going to go up nice and high. So let's see, about right. Nice and high, so about right here. And come right back down. There. And so same thing on this side. Just match the same height. About right there. And once again, same thing, bring it down. There. Then let's come back inside and we're going to draw oval towards this edge right here. So I'm just going to come right here and draw this oval and then bring it in. And then I'll put in a highlight right here and shade this all in. And then for this eye, we're going to come on this side to draw the oval. There. There, and then we're going to put the highlight right here and same thing. There. Okay, and then before I forget, I'm just going to make this top line right here, this curve, a little bit thicker. Hopefully you can see that it is thicker for the top. And then we're going to, let's see here, come right back down and then we're going to draw the mouth. So right in the center where this point is, we're going to skip a little bit of space and then come down, give myself a point. Aww. Looks like a Mickey Mouse, huh? Then we're going to curve up towards the eye, nice and round to about right here. Then we're going to connect it with a curve. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So go up towards the eye, just like the other side, about right there, and connect. Nice and round. And then from there, we're going to open up the mouth. So come about right here. And just draw this deep curve right in the center. And we forget, draw two angle lines right here for his one front tooth. Round it off. And at the bottom right here, just two little curves for a tongue. There. Aww. And let's see here. And I'm just going to lightly draw a line right here over the nose. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, oh, before I forget, I'm going to draw another curve right here underneath the mouth, right there. Then from there, we're going to, let's see here, we're going to go up right about here in this area. And here we're going to center it. And we're going to go up and around the eye. So let's go up nice and high. And we're going to go up higher to say about right here. and then come down around the eye, and I'll stop about right here before I go all the way down. There. So same thing here. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximately the same height on both sides. Just helps when I'm drawing big, and then come down to about right here and stop, just like the other side. And before I forget, let's come back up here on this curve right here. It's very subtle, but we want to make it thicker. Just the top curve. Okay. So then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this out on both sides. So we're going to start the fur on the cheeks. So now that we have that, we're going to come about right here, and I'm just going to curve and draw 2 more. And I'm going to bring it all the way down to about right here. So just connect it with a curve. There. So same thing on this side. 1 and then 2 and 3, and come right back to here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can come back in about right here and here, and let's just draw a big curve around the eye. So same thing here. It's easier for my hand going this way, and then just connect it with a curve right at the top. There. Okay, so then we need to draw one more thing at the top right here. Find your center, which is about right here. Go to the left, go to the right, and we need to draw the ears. So let's go up, and about right here, round off the tip, and bring it down. And then we're going to draw the inside, and same thing here. There, finally done. Okay, so then from there we can finally draw the body. So let's come about, let's say right about here. And here, we're going to draw the fur on the chest. So we're just gonna kind of zigzag draw curves like this. So 1, 2, 3 perhaps, and then bring it in. 1, 2, 3, and bring it in. And then we're going to come right here and add a curve coming out, because in this area about, let's see, like we're about right here, kind of like where the armpit would be, we're going to draw a slight curve. So same thing about right here. Slight curve, and let's go ahead and bring this one down. See how low you want to bring it. So about right there, I'll bring it in and connect with a slight curve. There. And then from there, we're going to go around, and we're going to pop this out more and come down. Then continue this right about there, and same thing here. So once again, just want to widen this part out for the thighs, and then bring it in. There. Okay, then we have the little feet we need to draw. So come here, pop out a curve. This can go a little bit straighter, and just connect. Then come right here with 2 little curves. So same thing here. There. Okay, and then for the hands, this side, let's have it just coming out. So we can come right here and bring out the arm. Same thing here. Bring out the arm to about right there, and then we're going to draw some hands. So finger, we're going to draw 4 of them. 1 and 1 more, and connect. And then this side, we're going to have it come down. So just round off the shoulders and come down. And so about right there, same thing. Fingers. So we have only 3 fingers showing over here. There. And let's see. That is pretty much it, except I need to add a heart somewhere. So I'm going to, let's just add it right here. To make this my Draw So Cute Chip from Chip and Dale. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.